Lawson is pleased to announce a new line of Supertanium Uni-Shank jigsaw blades. These blades feature a new shank design that fits both universal shank and Bosch shank jigsaws. Uni-Shank eliminates the need to stock multiple blade designs for different jigsaws. Supertanium Uni-Shank offers blades for every jigsaw application, whether it be wood, metal, plastic, plaster, formica, ceramic, fiberglass, or acrylic. There are 6 wood cutting blades, 4 metal cutting blades, and 6 multi-purpose blades for general cutting applications. Uni-Shank jigsaw blades are made of bimetal, which resists breakage, cuts faster, and lasts longer. There are 3 different tooth sets available: tapered, which is used for fast, very smooth cuts in wood, plastics, and composites; alternate, which is used for general purpose cutting in wood and plastics; and wavy, which is used for multi-purpose cutting of wood and metal. So if you're cutting a wide variety of materials using multiple jigsaws and want to reduce your jigsaw blade inventory, the Supertanium Uni-Shank bimetal jigsaw blade is the blade of choice.